Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I am coming to you with an eyeglasses haul. I'm so excited. I am partnering with VOOGLAM, which is an affordable eyeglasses brand. They have sent me 5 pairs of glasses, 3 of which I have chosen on my own, 2 of which they have chosen for me. And so I am going to get straight into the video. Let's go ahead and check out the glasses that I will be wearing in the future. Now, I will say off rip that these glasses are a more bold, more brilliant, more colorful type of style, and I feel like these are the type of glasses that you will wear if you were going out doing something specific, or a real pop of color that would tie in your regular outfit. Something like all white, if you popped on one of these glasses, you would definitely be able to style and profile. So I'm going to try on one of the glasses that I ordered first, which is Trudy, and I have them all sat in front of me. This is Trudy. She is a cat eye. She is in the color brown, and they are all prescription, by the way, because I did want them to be prescription. I wear glasses. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you. And I'm like looking off to the side because this is my viewfinder, but do you see her? Do you see Trudy? This is one of the first ones that I picked out for myself, and I just love how it's wide framed. It's definitely a statement pair of glasses. They are very sturdy. They don't feel wobbly or as if they're going to like get crooked later on. They feel very comfortable, very light on the face. It doesn't feel like it's rubbing too hard on my nose. I know that there are some pairs of glasses that I have that start to dig into my nose. These sit very comfortably, which I do appreciate. I also appreciate the gold detailing on the side. Y'all know I'm a gold fan. I love gold as opposed to silver, and so these definitely fit me. I love them. Next, I have Antoinette, which is similar to Trudy, but she is a lot feistier in my opinion. She is a red cat eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. Hold on. Oh, she's something different. She is so spicy. Like, I just love how spicy she is. She is just like styling and profiling. She is definitely doing something different for me, and I just love that she goes with the shirt that I have on now. It's a nice little, you know, pink shirt, so it definitely pulls out the pink tones. The pink tones in the corner area here, you can tell close up that it has a lot of detailing here. It has some browns, some blacks, some pink, a little bit of white, and so it's just really like if you had a simple outfit and you put this on, it would bring out whatever color you were wearing, as long as it was either of these. But it would definitely like give you a oomph, and that's what I love. This is definitely something I would wear like if I was in an office setting and I was wearing like a nice fitted skirt and then a nice blouse, and I put this on with my hair to the back. It's over. You hear me? I just love these. So this again was Antoinette. Do you hear me? I love Antoinette. She might be my favorite, but we gonna keep looking, okay? Okay, y'all, so next we have Pamela, and she is a blue tortoiseshell beauty. Do you see her? Do you see Pamela? Do you see Pam, ma'am? Look at her. And you can tell like I love me a nice feisty cat eye. She is so pretty to me. I really love, and especially for fall, because fall is coming. Oh my goodness. Can you just, baby, do you see see Pamela? Like, do you see how pretty she is? How much she is giving? I love me some Pamela. She is definitely giving all fall colors up in here. You see the browns, you see the lighter browns, the toffee, the reds, you see this is like a bluish green. It's like turquoise, and then you have the black here. So you have your nice base color if you wanted to wear all black ensemble. If you on your way to church, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. If you on your way to church, right, and you got all black accessories, right, and then you got your nice trench coat on, it's probably like black or brown, whatever, da da da, and then you might have you a nice little earring, you know, maybe some gold, or maybe if you feeling funky, you might even have a little blue in there. But if you put these on, it's over, it's done with. Like, these glasses right here, they will definitely like pull together a look, and I just love how feisty yet classy they are. They definitely have a lot going for them, and again, just like the others, which the last pair was the same way, they're very, very soft on the eyes, on the nose bridge, because I don't like when glasses dig into my nose. I have some marks actually on my nose from a pair of glasses that I have specifically that dig into my nose. I don't feel the same with these. These are definitely comfortable, lightweight, and they are so pretty and stylish. Like, these are glasses you pull out when it's time to pull them out. If you're an office girl, if you have like a corporate job of some sort and you go into the office, or even if you at home and you are like someone who doesn't really do too much with style, your accessories is where it's at. You can put on a pair of glasses like these and it'll, I'm telling you, I know I keep saying the same thing, but it's just because look at the glasses. Like, she is so pretty. So yes, this was a Miss Pamela in the color blue, even though these are more like turquoise, but it's so pretty. I love them. Okay, now the next two are glasses that I did not choose on my own, and these are glasses that I would never have chosen on my own. Nevertheless, I still think these are beautiful. And so first, I'm going to show you Miss Candice. She is a big and bold pair of glasses. She has the sparkly detailing here. If you can tell, she has the stars here. She has the gems. She is definitely a showstopper. So I am going to try this bad baby out. Now, one thing I will say off rip is I do have a smaller face, okay? And so I tend to go for the cat eye because my face is smaller. But if you are somebody with a longer face or a longer, here, let me stop talking and just put them on. Bam, Miss Candice. Miss Candice is showing out. Miss Candice is definitely taking over the show. But one thing I will definitely say with Miss Candice is she is beautiful on her own. She definitely steals the show, even if I'm not supporting her. Like, she's probably a little too big for my face, but if you have a longer face or if you have a wider face, I feel like you would definitely be able to pull off Miss Candice a lot better. But nevertheless, she is sparkling, and the more I look at her, the more I like her. She is for the bigger face girls. So if you are a bigger face girl and you love the bling and you love clear glasses, I feel like she would definitely give for you. She is still giving for me. I just feel like I would have to tweak her a little bit. I would probably have to have bigger hair, or just, I don't know, for real. But she is still giving, and I love her with my shirt. She is beautiful, and I love Miss Candice. She is in the color crystal, by the way, so don't go on Vogue Me looking for clear. No, she is crystal, okay? And I like her. I like her. She is very bold. She is for the brave. Do you hear me? But she is still very pretty. So, Miss Candice. Okay, she is definitely giving. Oh, do you see the sunlight? Okay, I see you, Candice. And then last but not least, see, I had to change my shirt because I felt like this shirt would go better with these pair of glasses. These are the last pair. And her name is Frida. She is a green beauty. I will bring her onto the screen. Now again, I did not choose these glasses. I feel like these glasses are definitely for the bold and for the girls who got the bigger faces. Miss Frida, she is definitely someone different. She is definitely giving, like, I don't know, she's giving more of like the girl who really owns her own unique style. Like Frida, she's definitely giving that. She is very, very big, okay? Frida is for the girls who love to accessorize, probably wear bulky accessories and things like that. Frida is for those types of girls. If you wear like thick chains, or if you like very, very big thick earrings or accessories like bangles and things like that, that's who Frida's for. But I had to change into this dress because I feel like Frida would be best suited for someone who is styling for Frida. You can't put on an outfit and then put on Frida. No, you put on Frida and then you put on her outfit. So I had to go ahead and get right. I couldn't just put on a pink shirt and have Frida try to, no, Frida is a mind of her own. So this is Miss Frida. She definitely is giving boldness. She calls the shots. She is definitely not for play. She is for real. She is for serious. I love Frida because she is definitely one of her own. I have never seen a pair of glasses like this before, and it definitely frames out your face. I feel like if you had, again, a bigger or a longer face, Frida will definitely frame you out. She definitely gives the appearance of higher cheekbones to me, just because this part is cut out, and so it essentially makes it look like if your cheekbones stop here, they look higher. And then this really does an arching of your eyebrow area, so it wouldn't necessarily make your eyebrows look arched, but it just gives the natural arch on your eyebrow. I keep looking in the viewfinder, but I think that Frida is definitely one of her own. She is definitely for the brave. She is not for just anybody. So if you are someone who likes a bold pair of glasses or bold accessories in general, and also you like the color green, Frida is for you, especially in the fall, because she will definitely serve in the fall. So check out Frida. I love Frida. I again have a smaller face, so, but if you have a bigger face, check out Frida. Okay, I love her. I love her. I can't lie, she was a little scary in the beginning. I'm like, oh, because if you can tell, the glasses that I've chosen so far, they are all very small, petite glasses. And I can't lie, Vogue Me definitely chose to branch me out like 100%. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've never chosen glasses super big because I can't really pull them off. But I can't lie, the last two pairs of glasses, they are pretty. I can't take that away from them. So with that being said, that will conclude this video. If you guys are interested in any of these glasses, I have the link in the description box. Vogue has also gifted us with a discount code of 10% with code BTBU. So check them out. Link is in the description box. Let me know if you liked any of these glasses. Tell me in the comments what you felt and which ones you are willing to try. With that being said, I love you all so much, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.